Set fire to your hair, poke a stick at a grizzly bear, eat medicine on Saturday, use your private parts as piranha bait. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Get your toast out with a fork, do your own electrical work, teach yourself how to fly, eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. And buy a psycho killer inside, scratch a drug dealer's brand new ride. Take your helmet off and out of space, use a clothes dryer as a hiding place. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Keep a rattlesnake as a pet.
What?
So both your kidneys on the internet.
Okay, that's way too much.
Equal to the super glue. I wonder, what's this red button do?
Don't try to
Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Dress up like a monster in hunting season, disturb a nest of wasps for no good reason. Stand on the edge of the train station platform, drive around the blue gates at a level crossing, run across the tracks between the platforms. They may not rhyme, but they quite possibly dumbest ways to die. Dumbest ways to die. Dumbest ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Be safe around trains, a message from Metro.